Hi, so today I'll be showing you the 4 types of phone cases that you can buy at Live and Maintain. Firstly, we have the standard case. This case is lightweight, durable, and protects your phone from dirt, knocks, and scratches. What I love about this case is that it doesn't impact your device size. So if you don't want a big and bulky case, but you want to protect your phone and add some style, then this case is perfect for you. Next, we have the Tough Impact case. This is like the standard case, but it provides another layer of protection. The additional TPU lining inside will absorb harder knocks and drops, and it will ensure that there is no harm to your phone. Like all our cases, it has clear open ports for connectivity. Again, you have a very sleek and clean fit, and you have that raised lip to protect your screen from any damage. Next, we have the Tough Impact card and mirror case. If you like a multi-function phone case, then this is the case for you. Not only does this phone case do everything that the Tough Impact case does, but it also has a mirror and a card holder at the back to make sure you're looking your best at all times. It's very cleverly designed so that if you slide it down, there's a mirror, and if you slide it up, you can hold a card. You can slip in your travel card or a credit card, and it will ensure that your card stays safe and secure. And finally, we have the leather wallet case. This phone case provides the ultimate level of protection as it covers your phone from the front and back. It's made of faux leather, which is a highly durable material, and this case also has 2 card slots and a cash compartment. Another cool feature of this phone case is that it also doubles as a phone stand. So if you're somebody who constantly watches things on your phone, then this feature will come in really handy. So those are all the phone cases. We have each one of these available in almost every kind of phone out there, and we also have them in a range of the latest designs such as tie-dye, marble, and more. You can personalize them to whatever you want. You can put your initials, a logo, print something on them. It's really hard to go wrong with these. And remember, all the cases are compatible with wireless charging. So go ahead and visit our website to find your ideal phone case. Leave a comment below and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.